Well, let's see if we can get this thing back on the water. I left it stranded a couple days ago, so I had to order some parts. Take the hood off. See what's under there. Get the air box out of the way. The next day after it left us stranded, I checked it out and could see that it was leaking gas around this fuel pump here. Pressed the primer and you can see it dripping out. So let's take it off. Just a couple hose clamps and 2 bolts. Not too bad. I say bolts. Actually, somebody used wood screws to put it on, so they're about as good a mechanic as I am, or know something I don't. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Out with the old, in with the new. The new one came with 1 hose clamp, and I was missing 1 hose clamp, so that worked out good. All good. This is an easy fix. I think the part was like 18 bucks on Amazon. It was like 90 at West Marine, so that worked out pretty good. And I went ahead and got a primer bulb too, because I didn't know if that was the problem. There was one just random bolt that was loose. Noticed it on the carburetor, so don't want that to fall off, so I tightened it up. Replaced that primer bulb. I don't really like it. It's kind of cheap. I don't think the other one was bad, so I kept it. Give it a couple squeezes. No leaks. That's good. Get that air box back on. I am confident here. I just know this is like the last time I'll ever have to take that box off. We're just going to be riding around for years, no problems. Oh yeah. Should be good to go. Well, let's see what happens. Fires up. That's good. It's running. Master Mechanic Matt. Need to take it out on the water. But as you can see, I've got the air box back off because it keeps wanting to die on me. It won't idle. I don't know what in the world is going on. I am beyond frustrated with it. No leaks. Check for the leak. See if it's leaking. No problem. There's a little part beside it. I didn't notice it until after the fact. But that sucker was screaming hot. I took it off and it was melting. the plastic was pouring out of it. Give it some gas. It still chokes out and dies. And that little part, some kind of solenoid or something, it was melted. It was screaming hot. So I had to find one on Amazon, order it, wait for it to come in. It should be here in a couple days, and try again. There it is. And the plastic's melting out of it. So I'm not a boat mechanic, but I know that melting parts are not good, so I at least need to replace that and see what happens. Ended up just having to cut the wires and throw it out in the yard. It fell out of that plastic housing. I could see it was dripping there. So that was probably the problem the whole time. But I had to fix that other leak too. So for now, button it up, wait till that other part comes in, and we'll see what happens. Bye.